Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the Blackvue DR750S channel installed on Maserati Levante 2017. This vehicle we actually installed two sets of the DR750 channel as the customer wanted to have coverage from front, back and both sides. So the main camera of the first set we installed on the front windshield. The second camera of the main set we installed on the side. Then the main camera from the second set we installed on the rear windshield, and again the second camera on the other side. Now we have installed also in this vehicle the Power Magic battery pack. That unit basically allows the systems to record while the vehicle is parked without draining the battery from the vehicle. So that way you can be assured that the cameras will record and you don't have to worry about them stopping to record when the car is off or draining your battery. Blackvue dash cams can be installed upon Car System Installation. Click on the left corner to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.